Hello everyone and welcome back to another Bimmer Fixer video, and in this video I'm going to be working on a non-BMW. Yeah, the eagle-eyed amongst you will notice from the thumbnail and this isn't a BMW. No, the big grey elephant in the room is a 4.4 SD V8 L405 Range Rover SE Vogue SE. Yeah, so I'm not abandoning BMW, I'm just expanding the channel slightly and just trying to mix things up a little bit. So one of the first things we're going to do on the L405 is we're going to change out this grille. I'm not going to upgrade it to any of the black one, but you can watch this video to watch how you can switch it out for any colour you want. But I'm just going to go for like because this one's gone all scabby and stone chipped and damaged. It's usually from the acid that's used on the hand washes here in the UK. They use a really strong, too strong TFR, and it damages the trim, and I'll show you some other bits that have been done as well. So yeah, we're going to crack on and I'll show you how to get the grille off and put the new one in. Okay, so first thing you need to do is open the bonnet, and then that will reveal the 4 clips at the top. So one there, one there, one there, and one at the end as well. And then there's 2 locating pins and lugs that are in the bottom corners. What you need to do for this, all you need is for this really is a little flathead screwdriver. Ideally a pair of trim removals like this in that kit that you've always seen me use in other videos. But you can probably get away with a pair of pliers if you need to. So let me just bring you in a bit. There we go. That one, isn't it? Yep. So what we're going to do is we're going to just get underneath the little recess there and give the screwdriver a twist. We'll do with a bigger screwdriver actually. Just lift it a little bit, just enough to, you could probably actually go all the way, but you could damage it. So, and then with the trim removal tool, you just pop it in like that. Careful because they can ping off. There we go. And then that aside, and then we go under there again. Oh no, I knew it! I bloody knew it. Okay, luckily I've taken the grill off. So yeah, that's where you got to kind of just keep an eye on that. Okay, so once you've got your 4 fasteners off the top, you then should be able to pull it out slightly. Now, if it's never been off before, which I think this one hasn't, it could be really tight. Yeah. So you must get your arm in if you can. God. There we go. Jesus. And then same again this way. Oh, there we go. Whew. Okay, right, so that one's off. Let me show you actually what I was meaning earlier. So you see how it's kind of delaminating things here and all along the bottom. The new one, I say new, it's new to me. I got it on eBay for £16 with a couple of quid postage. So it's an absolute bargain. I'll show you this one. So it's got that bit, but that's pretty much it. Everything else is in a lot better shape. So what I'm going to do, actually, while I'm here, I reached in and got that clip earlier, is just make sure everything's clean. I'm going to give that a quick spruce, actually. Let me find, let's get a bit of a clean. Okay, so, yeah, it's going to literally be reverse ortho removal. So we've got, you can see there, clip there, and clip the other end. Should have probably checked before. Right, that's in there. Before you go hammering it home, just make sure it's lined up. That one. And that one. That one there. And that one. Is that in? I feel that needs to come down a bit. No, I think that's in. Yeah, that's it. Right, okay, so putting these back, if you just give them a bit of a squeeze in and push in first. Now, if you put these in before you go, put these in first, like this, before you put the pins in the center, so then it still allows you to finally adjust it and wiggle it around. Otherwise, you can break them. Right. Oh, that's loads better. Okay, so pins, yep, literally, they can only go one way because they've got a weird shape to them. So it's just that one. Okay, right, so you get the idea. I will carry on and put these all back in, and then I'll give you a final look, and then yeah, I'll get these put in. And there we go. Much better. For the sake of £16. Yeah, obviously it's got that little chip there. That might even be worth touching up, and there's a tiny little bit on the badge. But apart from that, compared to what come off, got this here, it looks actually worse off camera, and it's all scabbing along the bottom. It's only going to get worse. So yeah, there we go. So that's the first little repair on the L405. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see some more L405 stuff, please leave a comment and leave a like, and I shall see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye bye.